Yes, sir. So,
Please tell us. Okay.
so I'm in grade 5 and I study in the Khitan school and I'm from Noida.
Okay, good. Vivan?
Yes, sir. I'm Vivan. My name is Vivan Saxena. I study in 5th grade and my school's name is Lotus Valley International School.
Okay. Pranav?
Good evening, sir. My name
Good
is
evening.
Pranav. I'm studying in class 5 and I am from Indian School Bausha and I am in Muscat.
Good. Adina?
My name is Adyan. I'm from Chennai and I study in BSBB Millennium School.
Okay. Jan?
Hello, my name is Zayan Kotwadkar. I'm from Belapur, CBD Belapur. My school is Purda International School and my hobbies are volleyball.
Okay. Next, Arjun?
Hello, everyone. My name is Arjun. I study in Chinak International School. I'm from Hyderabad and Telugu.
Okay. Tanya?
Yes, sir. My name is Tanya. I am 10 years old and I study in Shanti Shetik. I am in 5th Hare Bhatta and I am from Delhi and Gurugram.
Okay. Okay, students. So I hope all you are safe and healthy and we'll start the session. Please mute yourself and you have any doubt, then raise your hand and you can send your message in the chat box. My colleague, Ms. Priya will help you there. Okay, let's start the session. So the topic we will discuss today, the chapter will be number sense and the topics will be discussed today. First of all, some previous knowledge of your classes, system of numerations, place value chart, Indian system and international system of numeration, and the comparison between them, how we can write the numbers and read the numbers and the abacus, and later on we'll discuss some questions from the Olympiads. Okay. As you all know that the system, number system is a system to representing the numbers. We all know, हमने सभी ने पढ़ा है कि जब कुछ बड़ी वैल्यू मिलती है हमें, आप कुछ बाहर से बाजार से बाय करने जाते हैं, आप हाउस बाय कर रहे हैं कुछ, तो आपकी जो मनी होती है वो 6 डिजिट 7 डिजिट नंबर्स में होती है. So how will get the large numbers from the small numbers? When you have a 1 digit largest number, that is 9, and when you add 1 to this, you'll get a smallest 2 digit number. In the same way, when you have a largest 2 digit number and we add 1 to it, we'll get the smallest 3 digit number. And similarly, up to this part you have done in the previous classes, when you add 1 to the largest 5 digit number, you'll get a 6 digit smallest number. Now we'll discuss some larger numbers in this class. Largest 6 digit number, when you add 1 to it, you will get smallest 7 digit number. And जब आप largest 7 digit number में 1 add करते हो तो what will you get? Smallest 8 digit number. In the same way, when you add 1 to the largest 8 digit number, you'll get smallest 9 digit number. So I hope all you have understood. The next one is system of numeration. What are the use of system of numeration? We can use it to read and write the numbers, and we have two system of numerations. Up to previous classes, आप लोगों ने जो पढ़ा है, वो पढ़ा है अपने Indian system of numeration, which have ones period, tens, 100 period, 1000 periods, lakhs periods, and so on. But there is one more Indian system of numeration, which is international system of numeration. Now, how will you differentiate these two system of numeration? आप कैसे बताओगे कि ये दोनों अलग-अलग हैं? So let us discuss something. First one is Indian system of numeration. The Indian system of numeration, you have all studied about this in the previous classes. Starting from the right, what is your first period? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, once.
Very good. So first period is ones period, which consists of three place values. Swastik, can you tell me which are these three place values in the ones period?
Sir, ones, tens, and hundreds.
Very good. The other periods left to the ones period have two place values each. Okay. So in the Indian system of numeration, we have ones period. In the ones period, we have three place values, and in the rest of the periods, we have two place values. Tanya, can you tell me what is the next period in the Indian system of numeration after ones period?
Thousands.
Very good.
Then
Thousand periods. Arjun, can you tell me what is the next period in the Indian system?
Lakhs period.
Very good. So another system of numeration is
Crores.
international system of numeration. So we have already studied in the Indian system कि उसमें सबसे पहले पीरियड में वंस पीरियड में आपके पास थ्री प्लेस वैल्यूज थी एंड आफ्टर दैट we have two place values in each of the period, but in international system of numeration we have all the periods have three place values. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we'll discuss about this two system of numeration using the help of place value chart in the next slides. So first of all, can anyone tell me what is the place value and face value?
Sir, I can tell you.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, Nitya, tell me.
Shall I? Place value is the value of the place. Place value is the value of the place.
Okay, place value can be defined. It is the value which is represented on the basis of its position. So first of all, you have to find the position of the digit in the number and then multiply with the place value. You'll find the place value of that digit. And what is the face value? Face value of any digit is the digit
Of a face
itself.
value of any digit is the digit itself.
Very good. The face value is the digit itself. So let us take an example. In this number, we have 9465137 and the 4,65,137. So how will you find the place value and the face value of each digit in this number? Can anyone tell me?
For the place value, you have to
Swastik.
multiply the digits placed by the digit which you have.
Okay, Swastik, tell me the face value of the digit 7.
Sir, I can't hear.
7.
This is the ones
Swastik?
place 37.
Okay. Yes, Tanya, please tell me the face value of the digit 3.
Face value of the digit 3 will be 3.
Okay. Shivang, can you tell me the place value of the digit 7?
Sir, the place value will be 7. No, sir.
Okay. So place value of the digit at one's place will be same. Place value and face value of the digit at one's place will be same. After that, how will you find the place value of the other digits? Multiplying the digit with its place value. Like for the digit 3, how will you find the place value? The place is tens place, so we'll multiply with 10. And for the digit 1, we'll multiply with 100. After that, we'll multiply 5 with 5,000 and 6 with 10,000. Anika, tell me the place value of digit 4.
So, place value of digit 4 is
What is the place value of this digit?
4 lakh.
Right, it's 1 lakh, and you want to multiply with the digit 4, so we'll get 4 lakh. And what is the place value of the digit 9? Is 90 lakh. 9 multiplying with the digit with its place value, which is 10 lakh. And the face value of each digit will be the digit itself. So, everyone clear? Anyone having any doubt? Please raise your hand if you have any doubt. Okay. Next one is the place value chart of the Indian system. First we'll discuss about the Indian system. Later on we'll discuss about international system. तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास देखो यहाँ टेबल है, इसमें डिफरेंस सभी आपके पास वंस पीरियड, टेंस पीरियड, 1000 पीरियड, लैक्स पीरियड एंड क्रोर्स पीरियड. So first one is once period. So once
Once
period,
is 0.
ones place, tens place, 100 place. There are 3 place values in this period, as we have discussed in the second slide. After that we have thousands period. इस period में कितने place values होती हैं?
Thousands and 10,000s.
Very good.
There are 2.
Tejon, tell me, in lakhs period, how many places are there?
2.
Which one?
2. Lakhs
और कौन
period
से?
of 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs and 10 lakhs.
Okay, okay. Lakhs period we have 2 place values, which is lakhs and 10 lakhs. After that again we have 2 place values in the crores period.
2 place value,
Crores
crore
and
and
10 crores.
10 crore.
Okay, okay, students, please mute yourself. So ones period have 3 place values, that is ones, tens, hundreds. 1000 place have 2 place values, thousands and 10,000s. And lakhs periods have again 2 place values, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Again, crores period have 2 place values, crores and 10 crores. Okay, let us start with the example. In Indian system of numeration, write everyone in the chat box answer of this question: 30,70,687, and then we'll discuss about this.
30,70,000.
Okay, then let's see the answer. 30,70,687. And what is the use of comma in this part? Comma is very important in Indian
You use
system.
you use comma like after each period.
Very good. So how we can use comma? We can use comma after each and every period. So first period is 687. After that we are using comma, and after 70. So there are 2 commas because it is an Indian system of numeration. Okay. Okay. Next, देखते हैं हम international system of numeration, the place value chart. There is again a table. So first one is ones period. Now in this period, as we know, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन में हमारे पास हर पीरियड में कितनी प्लेस वैल्यूज होती हैं? 3. ओके, so once period we have 3 place values, that is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. After that, how many places are there in thousands period?
3, sir.
Again 3. Which one?
Thousands, 100,000.
Right. Jan, please unmute. Jan, yeah, tell me how many places are there in millions period?
I can't hear you properly.
How many places are there in millions period? How many places?
In
Millions period in the international system. Millions period में कितने place values होते हैं?
there are 3 place values.
Which one?
Hundreds, tens, and ones.
I'm asking about millions period here. Millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions.
Oh.
Okay. So we have 3 place values in each period in the international system of numeration. Okay. So let us take an example in an international system of numeration. Now do it fast. Do this question in the chat box. 7,513,022 using the comma. How will you differentiate Indian system and international system? By using the comma. कोमा की हेल्प से आप दोनों को डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो कि दो इंडियन सिस्टम में है या इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में. Vivan, please tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
The answer is 7513022.
Wow, good. So how we can use the comma in this system? After each period, after 3 digits, before 0 and before 5. Okay. So the correct answer is 7,513,022. 7,513,022. Okay. Is there any doubt? Anyone
No, sir.
having any doubt? Please raise your hand.
No, sir.
Okay. Next one is so practice question for all of you. 252,105. How can you write this in words? So there are 4 options and give your answer in chat box only.
152,000. 105.
B correct, ma. CL.
Okay, all of you are done. So let's see the answer.
Photo తీసుకొని కామెంట్ దాంట్లో
Please note yourself, everyone. The correct answer is C, because there is a comma after each 3 digits.
200
So it will be an international system of numeration. 252,105. So the correct answer is C. Any doubt? Okay, let's move to the next part. How will you compare Indian and international system of numeration?
So using commas.
Using comma and another thing?
Commas.
How will you relate between them? 10 lakhs.
So 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million.
Right. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. How many zeros in both of the parts?
6 zeros.
Right. And similarly, how can you write the word?
1 crore is 100 lakhs.
And which is same as 10 millions in the international system. Good. Next one is 10 crores, which is same as
100 million. 100 million.
So this is very important part for your exams and Olympia type of exams. Okay, so this will help you to do the questions. Now next is abacus. What is the use of abacus?
It can help us
Right. It will help you to count the numbers. Okay, students, mute yourself. It will help you to count the numbers. So how will you count the numbers by using abacus? Okay, so we have a abacus. It has 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, and 10,000 place. So first of all, we'll count the number of beats at each place. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है?
21,000.
Number on each place. How many number of beats at 1's place?
33.
Adyan, tell me the number of beats at 10's place.
21,000.
Okay, then mute yourself.
So the
Ajahn,
value of the tens place is 30, sir.
tell me the number of beads, dear.
3.
Okay. So Devidata, tell me the number of beads at 100 place.
2. Sir, it is 2.
Good.
100
Ananya,
place will be 2.
Ananya, tell me the number of beads at 1000 place.
One
Sir,
bead.
Answer.
Okay. And the number of beads at 10,000 place.
2
Two.
beads.
So
2,
what will be the number?
2, 1, 2, 3, 3.
Very good. So the number is 21233.
21,233.
Right. Good. Okay. Let us do a practice question. Do this question in your chat box. The number on the given abacus. You have given this abacus. Okay. So there are 4 options and you have to do this question. Do it carefully.
2 lakh.
Count the numbers on each place and then mark the correct answer.
42. See. అదేంటి Sir, the answer will be A.
Okay. Pranav, tell me the answer. Pranav,
Yes, sir. 2,23,142 is the answer, sir.
which one is correct? Which
Option
will be
A.
option?
A.
Okay,
A.
good. As you all see that there is a trick in this question. Option A and option C are same, but there is a difference of comma only. Okay. So this is kind of a Olympiad question. So the abacus shows lakhs period. So that means it is an Indian system of numeration. It is not an international system. So the option A shows in the Indian system, while option C shows in international system. So the correct option is option A. Okay. Okay, let us do some questions from workbook, which will really help you in the Olympiads exams. Okay. So this is your first practice question. What is the face value of the digit 3 in this number? 7,21,348.
Sir, 3.
Okay.
Sir, 3.
Please type your answer in the chat box only.
100. 3, sir.
Tanya, please type your answer in the chat box. Shivang, tell me the correct answer of this question.
Yes, sir, it is A.
It is A. As we have already discussed, that the face value of the digit is the number itself. So the face value of the digit 3 in this number is 3. So option A is correct. Next one is. Okay, all you have done?
Yes, sir.
One more question is there. What will we get if we subtract 1 from the smallest 6-digit number? So do this question and I'll discuss about this. Rachna, please solve this question and you'll tell the answer. And rest of the students, please give your answer in the chat box.
smallest minus largest 5 digits.
Nitya, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The answer is option A.
Option A. Okay. Ananya, what is your answer?
Sir, my answer is option A.
Okay. So let us see how will the option A is correct. What is the smallest 6-digit number?
Sir,
1 lakh.
one lakh.
Right. As in the first slide, we have discussed that if we add 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we'll get smallest 6-digit number. And what is the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
So in the same way,
And
when
1
you
lakh minus 1 is 5 and 9.
very good. When you add 1 to the smallest 5-digit number, you will get largest 6-digit number. And when you subtract smallest
999.
1 from the smallest 6-digit number, you will get
Smallest 6-digit number minus 1 is equal to largest 5-digit number.
which is same as 99,999. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you have any doubt in everyone? Clear?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. Let us do one more question. Shikha makes a profit of rupees 85 crores 3 lakh 55,039. So you have to write this in Indian system. Write this profit in Indian system. Do it carefully.
The answer is B.
Okay. So all of you have done. Please send your solution. Please send your answer in the chat box. So 85 crore 3 lakh 55,039. So this is your numeral. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But we have to write this in Indian system of numeration. So starting from the right side, how will you insert the comma? This is your first comma. After that, the comma is very important in the Indian system of numeration. This is the second comma. Is it okay? No.
Sir, before 5.
Right. Before 5.
Yeah.
And after that,
Before 0.
before 0. So this is your correct answer. Option C. And how will you write this number in international system of numeration?
We will put the comma before the
5,000.
Okay. Mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Tejom, you tell me.
850 million 355,039. Yes, sir, like
Okay,
that.
is that okay? So we have to insert
If we put the
commas.
international form, then the answer will be A. But if we do in Indian form, then the answer will be B.
Correct. If you write the number in the international system, the answer will be A. But because the question was, we have to write the profit in Indian system. So the correct answer is option C, option B. Okay. So in Olympiad exams, you have to read the questions carefully and all the options. Then you have to select the correct one.
B.
Okay, so the correct option is B. Okay, dear. So we'll share a Google Forms for your assessment for today's class. जो भी हमने आज पढ़ा है उसके ऊपर आपका एक टेस्ट होगा. Okay, so you have to fill the questions in that form. You have to solve the question and submit it.
Okay, sir.
We'll share the link in the chat box.
Sir, means we have to fill up, means we have to type.
No, you have to select the correct options. This is a multiple choice questions like you have in the Olympiad exams.
Sir, now.
Yeah, now
okay.
we'll give you 5 questions in the Google form.
Will
So
it
you have to
be,
click on that form.
Word form? How to fill the
Usha ma'am.
Just a minute, we will share the form shortly. Just give me a minute.
Okay. We'll share the Google form link in your chat box. You have to click that form on the link and do the questions. There will be 5 questions and you have to select the correct options among them. And then you can submit. After that, we'll discuss all the 5 questions here. When you submit the questions, submit the exams, you'll get your response. You'll get your result there.
link on? Okay, sir. Will it be Google form?
The test
Yeah.
is a small test. It just have 5 questions. It will be on only the topic which you have learned so far in this session. So that after finishing the 5 questions in the Google form, you have to click the submit button below it. Now you'll get the link in the chat box. Once you open the link, answer the 5 questions and just click the submit button below it. Then we'll get your answers as well as you can see your scores there and then. After it, we'll discuss the questions which you have done in your test.
Okay, ma'am.
So there is a link in the chat box. Please click on that link and you will get a form. You'll get a question paper of 5 questions. You'll submit that. You have 10 minutes to do these questions.
Sir, I'm not able to click on anything, sir.
There is one more link in the
Yes,
chat
sir.
box. There is one more
We are
link.
clicking, then when we are clicking, then it goes into Chrome, but it doesn't open.
There is one more link here. Please click on that.
So,
exam rayali.
yeah, sir. On the next link also, when we click on that, it shows
Exam
the classroom, and then it again shows the Zoom.
You have to click that link and you'll get the link will open in the browser.
I am clicking on that, but then also it's not opening. It's going on the Chrome and then it's coming back on Zoom.
Sir, what is the class code?
Student, I am sharing the updated link. Please click on that. This is the link that I have just shared. Please click on that.
It is asking class code.
There's one more link in the chat box.
I have just shared a link, updated link. Please click on that.
All of you ignore the earlier links. Use this last link. सबसे last में जो link आई है, use this last link to open the Google form.
Ma'am, but this one has different questions.
Hundred lakhs, 1 crore.
Please mute yourself, everyone.
10 millions. Summer.
Tanya, you have any doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Sejong?
Sir, is this the first class? Sir, because I missed the last class. Because
No,
I.
this is the first class here. This is
No,
the first
sir,
class.
I don't have any doubt.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is your first class.
Okay, sir.
Previous class was demo
Yeah.
classes. This is your first class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear. So we'll do the next session, and is for the same topic, and we'll discuss in the next class. That will be on Thursday. Okay. So those who have any doubt, we'll discuss in the same class.
Okay,
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Where do you want to see?
Follow जो बाकियों को